Hey, it's Mike, and today I want to talk about what are the odds that Cathie Wood is going to stay at ARK Invest. For those who don't know, a minority stakeholder wants to take control of ARK Invest. Cathie Woods is pushing back. She's not happy about it. And probably one of the reasons why is because ARK Investment is one of the most successful ETFs out there, and they've been able to be a giant success because they do things very differently. So, for instance, Cathie Woods, ARK Invest, they share all their research. They don't hide any of their research. They uh, they basically publicize all of their thinking and they put everything out there. All the employees are also owners of ARK Invest. If Resolute comes in and becomes a majority shareholder, they can change just the entire way the company operates, and obviously that can affect returns. So Cathie Woods is not happy about that. So the question is she going to leave? Because if she's going to leave, ARK Invest will probably not get the returns that they're getting right now. And if you look here, since inception, it's really quadrupled in a span of about 5 years. So it's had some incredible returns. So here's here's what we can assume, because not all the details of Cathie Wood's relationship with Resolute is really out there, but we can make some assumptions. One is we can assume that she probably has a non-compete, which means if she were to leave ARK tomorrow, she would probably have to go about a year before she can start her own firm. Just about any time, if you do any deal with another company that buys into you, you're going to sign a non-compete. We could also probably assume that she's not under contract with ARK, because right now she is the majority owner, so she probably would not give a contract to herself. But because she did a partnership with Resolute, chances are they did have her sign a non-compete. So if she were to leave tomorrow, she's probably going to have to sit out for a year before she can start off her own firm. So the question is she going to leave? Well, my feeling is she's probably going to be using this situation as leverage to get better compensation or get assurance from Resolute that they're not going to interfere with her day-to-day operations. And she's using her displeasure as a form of leverage, because here's the thing: if Cathie Woods leave, all of the money is going to go with it. Right now, ARK Invest has $10 billion assets under management. I mean, all of that really came, with Cathie Woods, and all of that money is going to follow her. So, Resolute has two choices they can have here. They could remain the minority stakeholder in what will probably be the biggest ETFs on the planet. Like ARK Invest will probably be worth hundreds of billions of dollars, or have hundreds of billions of dollars in assets under management in 5 to 10 years. Or they could become the majority stakeholder of an ETF that doesn't have Cathie Woods and will probably have less than $1 billion assets under management in 5 years. So if I were Resolute, I would sit down and talk to Cathie Woods and say, okay, how can we just keep you happy so you stay? And then whatever she says, you just take that deal, because she's basically like the golden goose. I was thinking about how to discuss the Cathie Woods and Resolute situation. It's like, imagine a golden goose comes to your house and just starts laying 24-karat golden eggs that are worth $5,000 every day. You don't know how the goose does it, but just poops out $5,000 in golden eggs every day, and then you just decide that you're going to kick the goose in the head, which is what Resolute is doing right now. So I just hope that she stays. I think she's going to end up going to stay. I think Resolute is going to be smart about this, because in the end, everybody wants to make money with this deal, and Resolute knows that she'll leave. I mean, Cathie Woods probably has a couple of $100 million in net worth, and that's more than enough money to start her own firm. So those are my thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, stock options, and stock news. Thanks. Bye.